Hello everyone, this is Serif the broker. Today we are in Büyükçekmece, next to the lake. In a land size of 625,000 meters square, there are only 472 villas, which is constructed by Mesa and Nurol. And these villas has been very well designed. And this one is 4-bedroom sample villa with a net size of 145 meters square. I can hear that it is a very small size in your mind, but you will see how it is well designed and well used this 145 meters square. I am Serif Nadivarlı, one of the most famous real estate broker in Turkey. Welcome to my house.
Next time inshallah.
$18 million. Thank you.
Okay.
Let's negotiate Adana style. How much?
It's okay for you.
I want to move here as well. It's a nice district.
Oh, you can buy an apartment from me.
Maybe.
Yeah.
We are on the terrace of 363 meters square apartment, 4 bedrooms and the maid room with decorated in the highest quality materials. How to get Turkish citizenship? Ters oldu. When you enter the garden, it welcomes you with a garden size. In this garden, there is a swimming pool. In this one, they did something sample, but you can use this space for your private swimming pool. There is a walking pathway. Also, there is a drive-through way that you can enter with your car. There is an indoor garage here, and there is a space for open parking space, maybe another 3 cars. So you can park your 4 cars inside the house. Let's get into inside. This is the main door of the house, which is common in Turkey that it's a steel door. After you enter, you have a small hall here. In this hall, you directly enter to living room. And I would like to show you something here. This is a smart home. The password is 1071. Smart home, in this one, you can say welcome. When you say welcome, it opens all the lights up. The size of this living room is 50 meters square, which is a very well space because there is no column in the middle. So it gives you a nice using area. There is a dining table here. There's a sitting area here, nice settled. You can watch TV over here. And front side is looking to your garden or your swimming pool with a terrace view. On the back, you have a kitchen. And this kitchen looks like open plan kitchen, but you have a separation of these doors. When you close them, there is no kitchen. So when you have guests, you can close it, or if you are cooking, smell will not come to here. All the living space is heated underneath. This wooden laminated wood is on the flooring, but when you pass the kitchen, it's marble. So it's better for cleaning of the kitchen. All these white goods are included, and in the middle you can see there's a nice small island here. This is also included, and over is marble. There is something very unique. You have a very nice terrace. For example, outside was so sunny, but here it's cool. You can make a dining here with no cooling needed in the summer days. Another thing, you can close this top with a remote control opening and closing glass that it can make it possible in the winter days. It will be your winter garden. There is another room which is in the building permission. It's a water tank. Yes, this is water tank. You can hear my voice maybe. Average in each house, there are 30 meters square this space. After you get all the paperwork is done, you can turn this room as a cinema room, maybe your study room or your extra guest room. In this house, there are 4 bedrooms, and you have another 30 meters square water tank. This will turn into your private room later on. So you are welcoming with a garden, you have a living room, you have the kitchen, and you have the extra room in the ground floor. And we have a guest toilet in the entrance, which is a powder room. Which is also surprising that the house is getting a very nice daylight from front side, from back side. It's an advantage of detached house because 4 sides is open. This hallway is opening to 5 doors. First, I would like to show you the master bedroom. This master bedroom has a long corridor, but you will see this corridor is used as a walk-in wardrobe. Left side, right side is the wardrobes you see. It's your well-designed walk-in wardrobe and nice lake view in front of you with this master bedroom. And this side for the makeup table here. And behind these wardrobes, we have the master bathroom. It's a good size. You have a shower, and you get a daylight from the top. From this room, I would like to show you the study room or a single bedroom, which is small but useful. You have also, which is so unique, this land of these villas has a slope, and this slope makes it possible that second floor has also reached to the garden. You see, we have a garden space over here. I would like to walk around from this garden to enter the other bedroom. Let's walk. You see over here, we see the terrace of the kitchen. If you have children, they can play football over here. And we enter the kids' room from the garden. And also you'll see that each room has this remote control for the cooling system. And the heating is under the floor in all the house. Each room's heating and cooling controls are private. So one room you can cool it, one room you can heat it. And lastly, we have another bedroom looking to front side. The good thing about this room has also nice balcony. From this balcony, we have a very nice lake view of these villas and a nice green area you can enjoy. This balcony can be entered from master bedroom, also from this bedroom. So it's so useful. So last thing about this floor is this bathroom. On this bathroom, there is no light currently, but you can see me because there is again a daylight window from top, from the roof, which is a unique thing for a private villa. And in this bathroom, we have wardrobe for washer and dryer. These are also included, that you can use these spaces for your washing machine and drying machine. After seeing the villa, I will repeat the details. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a powder room, included with indoor parking, water tank and a terrace behind the kitchen that you can use another indoor spaces, which is making this house 250 meters square. And you have a minimum size of 500 meters square land. In other examples, the gardens are changing. And the price tag of this villa is only $650,000. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video.